The Vatican, located in the heart of Rome, is a city-state that holds immense historical and religious significance. With its stunning architecture and rich cultural heritage, it attracts millions of tourists from around the world every year. For tourists planning a visit to the Vatican, drone footage can offer valuable insights into what they can expect during their trip. From getting an overview of St. Peter's Square to glimpsing the breathtaking views from atop St. Peter's Basilica, these visuals can help travelers plan their itinerary and make the most out of their visit. The Vatican is not only a religious center but also a popular tourist destination. Its unique landscape includes iconic landmarks such as St. Peter's Basilica, the Sistine Chapel, and the Vatican Museums. These attractions showcase breathtaking art and architecture that have captivated visitors for centuries. Tourism in the Vatican is thriving due to its historical significance and cultural heritage. Visitors from around the world flock to witness its grandeur and explore its rich history.